Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of immunohistochemistry, specifically focusing on the single marker with interpretation test. This test is a critical tool in diagnosing and understanding various diseases, and we're going to break it down step by step. Let's get started. First things first, before taking this test, it's essential to provide a few key pieces of information. You'll need a copy of the histopathology report, details about the site of the biopsy, and the patient's clinical history. This information helps ensure the accuracy and relevance of the test results. Specification of test. Now, let's talk about the specifics of the immunohistochemistry test. Disease-associated. This test is used to diagnose and study a wide range of diseases, primarily cancers. By identifying specific markers, pathologists can determine the type and stage of cancer, which is crucial for deciding the appropriate treatment plan. Specimen used. The test is performed on tissue samples, which are typically obtained through a biopsy. The tissue is then processed and sectioned to prepare it for staining and examination. Components include: the primary component of this test is the antibody used to detect the specific marker in the tissue sample. Additional reagents and dyes are used to visualize the marker under a microscope. Test report time. Results are usually available within a few days. However, please note that if the samples are received on holidays, they will be reported on the next working day. Test information. It's important to mention that this test is not applicable for certain markers. Specifically, it does not cover PD-L1, ALKD5F3, IDH1, ROS1 and EBER. For photomicrography, be sure to use the test code J113. How the test works. So, how does the immunohistochemistry single marker with interpretation test work? Once the tissue sample is prepared, it's stained with a specific antibody that binds to the marker of interest. Under the microscope, the pathologist examines the stained tissue to determine the presence and amount of the marker. This information is then interpreted in the context of the patient's clinical history and histopathology report to provide a comprehensive diagnosis. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick overview of the immunohistochemistry single marker with interpretation test. It's an invaluable tool in modern medicine, helping to diagnose and treat various diseases more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more medical insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.